Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire Crosley refrigerator damper assembly, a crucial component for regulating cold air flow in your fridge. With part number 242303001, this assembly is compatible with a range of models, ensuring versatility and ease of installation. Whether you're experiencing your refrigerator getting too cold, not cooling enough, or encountering error code H1, this replacement part might just be the solution you need. The repair process is straightforward, with easy-to-follow steps outlined in the manual. Simply disconnect the power, remove the top shelf, mounting screws, and old damper assembly. Then, it's just a matter of installing the new air damper control assembly, reconnecting wires, and ensuring a snug fit. What's impressive about this product is not just its compatibility and ease of installation, but also the peace of mind it offers with a 1-year warranty. It's reassuring to know that the assembly has undergone thorough checks before leaving the factory, giving you confidence in its performance. Overall, the Frigidaire Crosley refrigerator damper assembly is a reliable solution for common refrigerator issues, backed by quality assurance and customer satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice, this replacement part makes fridge repairs a breeze, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.